Now we come to RSA. RSA is a public key asymmetric cryptography algorithm. It has two different ways for encryption and decryption, and also having two separate keys for each. RSA was 512 bits before several years, hence nowadays RSA key length varies from 1024 bit to 4086 bit. But in our testing environment, we use RSA 512 bit because large key length simulation and testing may take time and difficult to understand the testing. The multiprime RSA algorithm is a modified version of the RSA standard algorithm. For RSA asymmetric cryptography, we need to generate large prime numbers which play a significant role in securing our information. Miller-Rabin is a fast way to test primality of large numbers. Here for RSA main IP, we have generated Verilog IPs for LFSR, Miller-Rabin, but when we are considering resource usage of the random number generation and primality test is high. So, we decided to implement our RSA IP in a new method with multiprime RSA. So, we move random number generation and prime feeder to our RSA Verilog IP to the software side through RIFA interface and using a FIFO. Here we are introducing a method to form multiprime RSA in Verilog with high efficiency. First, we will go through the multiprime RSA key generation process. As in the picture, we used a 4-extended Euclidean engine capable of outputting 8 multiplicative inverses parallelly. First, we will get 4 prime numbers PQRS. Then, we will calculate a component of the public and private key. Next, we have two parts in the multiprime RSA key generation process. The initial step will calculate dp, dq, dr, ds using the 4-extended Euclidean engine. To calculate message M in decryption, we use the Chinese remainder theorem. To calculate CRT content related to PQRS, we have a unique mechanism. To calculate each multiplicative inverse component of the figure, we use a 4-extended Euclidean engine 2 times. The result coming from, as previously shown, will store in an array in Verilog shown here. However, if you are going to perform each step for every RSA initiation, it would not be efficient because we need to process the 4-extended Euclidean engine 3 times. So, here we have presented a new method to perform RSA key generation and decryption using FPGA. This implementation uses a constant public value 65,537 which applies different N and D values for each RSA channel. This results in forming multiprime RSA using 4 primes in Verilog with high efficiency. For the implementation purpose, mainly extended Euclidean algorithm, modular exponentiation algorithms and Chinese remainder theorem are used. The simulation results after RSA simulation comes as shown here.